watching Belly Up. Well, I'm back after a month and today is the last episode of baking season 1. And today I will be showing you how to make 3-layer taste cake. So without further ado, let's get started.
2 cups of flour, 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of powdered sugar, milk, 1 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, Oreo biscuits, 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Prepare a basic cake. For making the batter, sieve 2 cups of flour, five tablespoons of cocoa powder, one teaspoon of baking powder, and mix all the dry ingredients well. Time for mixing the wet ingredients. For that, take a bowl, break an egg, add sugar. Don't add the whole sugar, add it in batches, then whisk it well. After whisking it for few minutes, break another egg. Add the remaining sugar and whisk it again. Then add 1 cup of butter. You can also use white oil instead of butter. And whisk everything again. Now add the flour mixture in batches into the wet mixture and mix it well. Add the remaining flour mixture and mix it again. After mixing everything, add milk as per required. And add the small pieces of Oreo biscuits and mix it again. Now prepare the tin in which you will bake, brush it with little bit of butter and pour the batter. Tap it a little bit. Time for baking. Preheat the cooker for 15 minutes. The time of baking depends upon the size of the cake. Now to get the 3-layer taste, garnish it with a cup of vanilla ice cream. Add the slices of strawberries and Oreo biscuits.
That's how you bake 3-layer taste cake at home. Do give this a try and let me know in the comment section below. And if you have liked this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Share it with your close ones. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, then do it and hit the bell icon for more updates. Take proper care to combat coronavirus. Till then, we meet again. Bye-bye.